In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add tags on your Instagram posts after sharing. Now let's say you already uploaded a photo or video but you forgot to add tags or want to remove or change tags. Simply head to your Instagram. Let's say this is the post you shared. Tap onto these three dots on your upper right. Select Edit. You will want to tap on Tag People. Tap anywhere in your post. Search for the account you want to tag. You can add as many as of your own choice. To remove tags, tap onto it and click on the X icon. The tag will get removed from your post. Once done, tap on Done to save changes. Well, that's how easy it is to add or remove tags after posting on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.